From the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C.
I think we might have had it all wrong, folks, about this old world structures. They were actually selling these buildings, and these wrecking companies were paying to take the building materials and resell them. This is a dismantle of the Star Theater in New York. They took this down in 30 days. Look at this building evaporating before your very eyes. Meticulously taken apart, saving every single nail, brick, piece of wood that they could, and turning it around and selling it for top dollar. This, my friends, is why we can never get an answer on these old world structures, because they've been taken apart like Legos and piecemealed. And then they replaced it with a whole new theater, and nobody was the wiser. Well, look at that. Here goes the new one. You gonna put the new one up? Oh, look at that, just a hole there. Huh, maybe this is where all these old world construction photos are. They're just actually wrecking photos. What do you think?